this lesson, we're going to learn how to play the harmony part for Jolly Old Saint Nicholas. You're going to want to download our Easy Duets sheet music. There's a link down below. And if you look at your sheet music, there's part 1, which is the melody. There's part 2, which is the harmony. And we're going to learn how to play that right now. So let's start by listening to the entire harmony part played from beginning to end. Now, as always, to help us practice this, we're going to break it down into 4-measure phrases, and we're going to practice each phrase one at a time at a slower tempo. So here's phrase 1. Now, here's phrase 2. Phrase 3. And now phrase 4. Now let's try putting these 4 phrases back together, and we'll try playing the entire harmony part from beginning to end. So that was the harmony part for Jolly Old Saint Nicholas. If you're looking at the sheet music, it's part 2. Once you've learned how to play this part, you can get together with a friend, split up part 1 and part 2. It sounds really cool as a duet. Hope you all enjoyed this lesson. Thanks for watching. Now go practice.